All right, guys, you need to bear with me on this because William's been sick for 3 days and he's losing his voice. But I'm at the new shop, the one that they got out here for all the Wave and Horizon drivers. So it's right back there. They're still remodeling and getting things going. But you know what? We're gonna go check this place out. So come on along with me. Get this video. Where are we at right now?
Transport Pro Tech Center.
And who am I talking to?
My name is Wes Kuzmansky.
What do you do, Wes?
I am the general manager of the place.
He's the general manager, guys, and he's gonna show us the shop. How many guys you got working for you?
So we got 2 guys right now.
2 guys right now.
2 guys. We're looking for a third.
Looking for a third.
So we have 3 lifts currently.
Okay.
On this side of the shop, we do the truck repair, general maintenance, fluids, filters, rotates.
So what about, do you guys sell tires or not?
We do sell tires.
You do sell tires?
Trailer tires and truck tires.
Okay.
Oil changes, fuel filters, we do rotates, we do tire repairs if needed.
Okay.
All your general maintenance stuff that you would find needing.
Plus the DOT inspection.
Plus the DOT inspection,
DOT
correct.
inspection. So, I mean, is this a new building?
It is actually, I believe, built in the 80s.
Okay.
So not too old, but you know, we've done some work to it, cleaned it up, added lifts.
It's looking pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how long has this been in plan?
So this idea has been talked about for a very long time.
Okay.
And Horizon and Wave finally decided to move forward with it last year. So I signed on with Horizon in October, I want to say.
Okay.
And have been working all of last year kind of putting this together to launch it this year in 2025.
Well, I think it's a great idea. And I think if you're going to get into RV transport, this is one of the biggest problems is finding somebody you trust, find somebody who can do it. And here, if you're going to get into it, Wave and Horizon is the only people you guys are going to work on?
Correct. It's only for Wave and Horizon.
Yeah, if you're not working for them, you're not going to have this luxury, basically. And price-wise, I know, competitive-wise, I mean, what do you think they're saving by? Any idea?
For the, I'd say life of the truck, you guys are going to save hundreds of dollars. I mean, we are very, very competitively priced. Savings are passed to you guys. I mean, our markups are minimal, so we're passing the deals down to you guys.
Do you have any idea, like, what is a standard oil change?
Our standard oil changes start at $99.95.
And then they go up for full
And then
synthetic.
they go up to full synthetic to $115.95, and that's at 10 quarts. So for some of you that have the Rams and the Fords, you know, maybe
Okay.
20 bucks more on top of that.
I was paying like $190 something at the Chevy garage or the GMC garage, so you can see the difference right there.
Yep.
Fuel filters, like 100 and some bucks, I'm sure.
Fuel filters, if you're doing the 2, we're priced at $249 for the 2, and then if you just have the 1,
I think mine just has the 1, the
the
GMC.
1, then I believe it's $149.
Okay, all right, so that's cool. Rotate tires.
Rotating tires, yeah. So if you got a dually, I think our price is set at 24 bucks, and then if it's just a single wheel, 15.
Oh wow. Now you're gonna, you know, those dualies, you got to break a couple of them down. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Just I'll make sure. What about transmission drains?
Transmissions, yes, we do those, and the filter changes. Price, we're still working through that a little bit. Kind of just depends on the truck, but we're thinking around the $250 range for that.
Just curious about that because mine, if you know any of my videos, I got transmission problems. I got a new transmission, and I've been doing it every 30, 40,000 miles now, and it's made a difference. That's something you're going to be doing on mine all the time.
Yeah, maintenance is key for sure.
Yeah, I think that's what changes if you're going to survive this job or not, is the maintenance. But I like it.
Cool.
And where are you guys located at? What is this?
18520 US Highway 20.
Okay, and I know all of us guys are driving this road all the time.
Yeah, so if you're familiar with the Queen Bee storage lot, we are in the same lot as that facility.
Was this just luck, or was that one of the key things to be in this spot?
Yeah, it was just, well, yeah.
Okay, because I thought so many of us are going by here all the time.
And we own so much property that it worked out here.
It worked out. So.
And then, I can show you the other side too.
Let's go take a look.
Now we got 2 trailers in the shop. One's getting 2 axles replaced on it. This one here with the campers, getting 2 new wheels, and a lighting issue repaired.
Oh, wow. I was wondering if you're going to be able to get all the big trucks and everything.
Yeah, this used to be a semi shop. So we're set up to handle the big stuff.
Well, this is cool. I think you guys, I think they really hit the key on this stuff. I mean, this is the difference between Wave and the rest of them is what I think. So I think they really, this is what the drivers need, because that's a hard thing to do. just getting anybody that wants to help you and not bend you over, you know?
Yeah, and we're here to help you guys, so.
Yeah. Yeah, this is cool. Well, let's walk around out here. Yeah, they're still getting this place all put together, but I think it's going to be, a game changer for all you guys. I think you really want to look into this. They've got parking out here for trailers, so if your trailer breaks down, you can bring your trailers in and get it worked on. I mean, they're still getting everything set up. Just a little recap at the end of this video. Trans Pro Tech Center, just for Wave and Horizon drivers, did an awesome job. I want to thank Wes for taking and showing me the place. Had a great experience here yesterday. Talked to a lot of drivers. It was just an awesome experience, and they did a great job on the truck. I think that I can tell you that I saved quite a bit of money. I mean, my oil change was $120.02, full synthetic. That's always, I mean, the cheapest I found it anywhere. I got lucky one day for $150, but and I might even had a discount at that place first time going there or something like that. But that was the cheapest I ever got up until going to the new shop. So they definitely hit my mark there. Fuel filter was about the same, I think, is what it's cost me pretty much everywhere else. But they even did the annual dot inspection for $39.99. I thought that was going to cost me like $60 or something like that. So when I left there yesterday, I only spent $298.84. And usually when I go and get the fuel filter and the oil changed at any of the Chevy garages out there, GMC shops, it's $330 or something like in that area, you know. Sorry, you guys not getting over, but yeah. So I saved $30-some there and got a dot inspection. So their prices are competitive, very competitive. I think that I had them give me the quote on the transmission because I'm going to do it the next time I get there, because it'll be at about that 40,000 mark again. I think that's what's going to be my sweet spot for this truck, is changing that transmission fluid every 40,000. But they want $333.36. Every place I took it to, well, it was $400 because I last time I did it myself, and I'll do it myself when I have time. Just a lot of times I don't. But every place that I contact, because I've spent the last month trying to find a shop that I could get to do that, where I could save some money, and every one of them was $400. So I know Wes said you're going to save hundreds. I think you're going to save thousands over the lifetime of your truck if you're going there all the time. I mean, that transmission is going to save me like $60, almost $70 every time I go there. My oil changes at the minimum is saving me $30, anywhere from $30 to $60 depending where I'm taking it to. And you know how often, every 10, this truck gets it normally changed at 10,000. Every now and then I'll push it to like 12. The oil in there says it's good for 15, but a lot of times you just don't want to get it changed out there on the road with some place that you just don't trust. So every 10,000 miles I'm changing the oil, and I'm saving $30 to $60 compared to what it was before. And that's just on the oil change, not all the other stuff. I think if you keep going to the new shop, you're going to save thousands of dollars over your period of the time that you're running this truck until you replace it. And the tire changes, repairs and rotates and stuff like that, those are awesome. I haven't priced a set of tires there yet because I'm trying to get another 10,000-15,000 out of these tires, but that's going to be the next thing I do. Sorry about the voice. Sorry about all the people that I didn't get to spend the time with. Well, it was crazy when I was in Indiana this time. I ran into so many people, and they talked my voice right out of me, and me, I don't know how to shut up anyway. So I just like to get to know people. I like that connection. So I'm paying for it today. I'm in gloomy Tennessee. I'm away for this delivery, trying to get it delivered today on Saturday. Picked it up yesterday afternoon after I got everything done in Indiana. I got the sim video coming out. I got some new videos coming out talking about a lot of stuff. But I'll get that sim video out too. I wanted to get this showing the truck shop and everything. I didn't go into the office area. I mean, I was in there, but I didn't video in those office areas yet just because they're still under construction. So as they get things finished, I'll go back there again and we'll do a follow-up. You guys reach out to me, tell me your experience. But I think it's going to be a great place for Wave and Horizon drivers. And I think if you're going to get into this lifestyle and you're thinking about being an RV transporter, when I'm always promoting Wave, but I think that's another reason you want to go to Wave or Horizon, is just because of that. They spent a lot of time trying to make this shop work and getting it put together, because it's been in the planning for a while. I bet you for a few years, and now they're making it happen. So I had a great experience there, and I will be going there probably the rest of the service on this truck. So unless all you guys start going there and I can't get in. So Wes, save me a spot. I had to throw that out there. And I'm about ready to lose my voice again, so you know how I finish these videos? Always.